I'm Codi Lodi, design principal with Weber Thompson Architects, and we're here at Northlake Commons. We're standing on one of the featured elements of the project, the outdoor connectors. And this space was really important for us to have a robust, beautiful, high-quality surface. So we teamed up with Archatrak porcelain pavers to make this vision a reality. We really enjoy the color tones that Archatrak can provide, and we select a very beautiful Riverstone color and texture that we think really matches well with all of the natural materials like timber that we have on the project. These surfaces are very robust and need to hold up to the indoor and outdoor elements that we have on the project, and we think the Archatrak porcelain paver is a perfect solution. We really appreciated the way it allowed us to drain underneath there, putting the pavers up on pedestals, and really ensures that the project will have a long lifespan on this high quality space. We definitely recommend Archatrak porcelain pavers if you're looking to create a space like this.